Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu font in Elementor. If you're looking to customize your website's navigation to match your brand's style, this quick adjustment will make a noticeable difference in your site's overall look and feel. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Pages to access your site's page management area. After clicking on Pages, select All Pages to view the complete list of pages you've created. This gives you a clear overview of everything published on your site. Now, look through your list and find the specific page where you want to edit the menu font. Once you've located it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor editor, which is the visual builder you'll use to make your changes. Give it a moment to load, as Elementor needs to render all your page elements before you can start editing. Once Elementor has fully loaded, you'll see your page layout displayed in the main area. Now comes the important part. Locate the nav menu widget on the page and click it to select. The nav menu widget is what controls your navigation bar, so this is where all your menu styling options live. You'll know you've selected it when you see a blue outline around the menu element. In the left panel that appears, switch to the Style tab. This tab is specifically designed for visual customization, separating it from the content and layout options. Here's where you'll find all the styling controls for your navigation menu. Scroll down to the typography section and look for the option labeled Menu. You'll see a small pencil icon next to it. Click this pencil icon to expand the typography settings. This opens up a detailed control panel specifically for your menu text appearance. Now you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your desired font family. Elementor offers a wide range of fonts, including Google Fonts and System Fonts, so take your time browsing through the options to find one that perfectly matches your brand aesthetic. Simply click on the drop-down and scroll through until you find the font that speaks to your design vision. Finally, adjust the font size and weight from the drop-down menu. The size determines how large or small your menu text appears, while the weight controls whether it looks thin, regular, bold, or extra bold. Play around with these settings until you achieve the exact look you're going for. The changes will appear in real time on your page preview, so you can see exactly how everything looks before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully customized your menu font in Elementor, giving your website's navigation a fresh, personalized appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.